You could do you a little half up. Not really trying to show you the hair under my arms, but I don't really give a f. I don't care. Cause it's like whatever. Aren't we all tired of being ashamed of ourselves? I know I am. Okay. Wham. Look at that little. Ow. Oh, how cute is you? Someone asked me, do I be topless in my videos? Yeah. Like, what else? Y'all walking around your house with clothes on? I feel bad for you. Yeah, if you live with people, I guess you have to wear clothes and stuff. But I live alone. I'll be up in this thing by myself, so I'll be naked. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Bree and this is the B-side. Today is just a little life update, hair update, reality update, car update. Like everything about me has been updated and I'm living it up. Okay, all I gotta say is I look like I got so much hair. Don't you wish you had some locks and that you had lots of hair because of it? Bam. If you do wish that, it's really easy. All you gotta do is go get you some locks. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I work in a salon now, and recently I inquired about removing the blue from my hair from a licensed cosmetologist, and she was totally like, yeah, she does this all the time to her own hair. And so we did some test strands, and this was the result. Some test locks, not test strands. And as you can see, it removed the blue pretty well, but I was actually trying to go for like this really golden ginger color, and I don't think that the blue is going to be removed enough in order for me to return to how beautiful my hair was prior to the blue. And the blue is pretty, you know, but I remember what I was like when I had the gold, and it like, you know, offset my skin and all that stuff, so I wanted it back. But I don't know what you think. Tell me what you think. I think this isn't gold enough in order to return. I don't think that the cosmetologist I spoke to believes that either. But she was suggesting that I could just put this over all of my hair and then like just do another color. Like if I want like purple, maybe even a hot pink. But I was also just like, do I want to do that to my whole head if it's not going to be exactly what I want? You know what I mean? Like, do I want to really remove the blue and make my hair purple? No, I don't. I kind of wanted it to all be gold. If it's not all going to be gold, though, I think I'll just leave it the way that it is. Okay. Oh, another new thing with my hair. So, wham, look at that. That is a baby lock. I don't know why I'm always starting baby locks like that, but that's what's going on. Oh, you can't see. Okay, perfect. Baby lock right there. My hairline, you know, it's not jacked up. Like when I do people's hair, I've never seen anybody with a hairline like mine. How about I just say that? And so it's always a challenge. It's my own hair, so it's a challenge to me to make it look, or to work within the boundaries of my hairline has always been a challenge to me. This is one I started not too long ago. You can tell it's just got that little piece of hair still hanging on it, but I ain't gonna take it off because it helps me like conceal it and stuff. And I got one over here right there. So I'm definitely not afraid to start my locks off like that, or to have this little nub thing right there. I actually think it's kind of cute. It's cute right now. Eventually it's gonna start sticking straight up and looking weird, but this is cute as of today. So I got another lock coming in, you know what I'm saying? I haven't cut my hair yet. It's still as long as it is going to be. Yeah. It's still pretty long, if you ask me. Yeah. everything looks good about my hair, you know? Like, what's going on? And then I went and bought some lashes so I can be a little bit more serious about where I work, like always, doing a light face, and just coming in on time, making sure I got everything, trying to be more organized, take my life more seriously, So yeah, getting my nails done. That's something I totally do now. I go get my nails done. Cause I'm like a beauty professional now, and I have to take this seriously. This next chapter in my life is eye-opening. I'm able to see myself for what I want. Y'all, I've been watching a lot of Rick and Morty.
And when I say a lot of Rick and Morty, I just mean that I just play the episodes back over, because there's always a really good lesson in that show. And the lesson is that you have to choose your own reality. You have to take reality by the horns, and you got to take it for a ride. That's what I'm doing. Just trying to take charge of my reality, be really agent, and go after what it is I want.
No holding back for me. No more holding back for me. Oh, I'm starting CrossFit with Ann. So Ann is the original OG. The first time I lost any weight, Ann was right by my side. We were losing weight together, and we are back in this thing. That's gonna be amazing. What else? I had to purchase a new car, so I purchased a car. This was my first car note, and I'm all nervous about it and stuff, but I'm trying to stay on top of everything, make sure I pay it early, and just being real careful about maintenance, just being on top of it, essentially. So I'm working 2 jobs now. I'm really busy, but at the same time, I'm so excited to be opening my life to this new realm of wonderful things to do. Like, my hair turned 5. Okay, she's 5 years old. She looks awesome. How do you like my hair? Is it cute to you? It's cute to me, girl. Ew. My first mistake was I wanted too much time. I had to have him morning, noon, and night. Ooh. This video is basically a fail. I just totally wanted to talk to y'all, but I'm kind of hungry. I don't know what I should go eat. Maybe Taco Bell or something. What time is it? Ooh.